Ah! We're going in! Ay, wait lang. Bye-bye, guys. We're na tayo. Okay naman. Yan, okay. Wala. Guys, nakapasa! Woo! Ate, how do you feel? Yung tita namin nahanapin ng IO pag di kami nakabalik. God, it's so nervous. Tinanong niya ako. Sabi ko, hindi ka pinag-ipunan namin. Grabe yung mas bet ko yung second interrogation. Wow! Sa akin sana, sasabihin ko may kasal pa po akong ate na. Hindi ako tinanong eh. Ayan, Kenny Rogers. Reviewer niya sa Kenny Rogers. We're going to eat. Guys, sure pa yung dito. So ayun na nga, ang hirap-hirap nakapas sa IO, but taas mo pati. Ayan. Kuya Hans. Nasa si Kuya Hans. Kuya Hans! Ito din ulo. Papunta na kami sa gate namin. It's 113. But it might change. Ay, ka muna nga.
Hello.
Nonchalant talaga. Shoutout sa advisor ni friend. Alam mo na. Nonchalant lang ko talaga. Busy pa yung tita ko sa pinsan. Sana nagre-record pa to.
Oh my God.
Grabe. Napakahirap ng pinagdaanan namin. But it's worth it. We're now heading to the gate. Block na lang ako ng bus.
Singapore Airlines Flight SQ811 to Singapore without departure. Please fly gate silver members to right now. Thank you.
Talaga pa.
Sana si Tito? Nakawala na siya. Sige pa Tito.
Si Bukas kasi.
$11.48 pa lang.
Nakabalik na rin ng Pacific.
Kuya.
Napuyat nakaka-picture. Napuyat nakaka-picture. Sama ka tayo sa crowded people.
Saan yung 113? Oh my God, Lord, this is malamig.
Lamig ah.
I think this is the 113. Where is Tito? Ayun, si Tito.
Ayun o, sa cellphone. Hey, Ram.
Yeah. Hi, Karam. Hi, ka, hi. Hi, ka, hi.
Ikaw taga.
Hindi na lang, dala ko si Mashato. So yeah, we can charge here. Ay, thank you Lord. Grabe.
Ay, na-Emirates na.
Data lang later. Data lang.
Maraming kasalanan.
Ganda. Hi guys. Four.
Attention to all passengers, to ensure smooth journey, please double check that your personal belongings.
Brush na kami ng teeth, then we're gonna be ready for the boarding time.
Ay, bawal pala.
But we're gonna brush the teeth of the person. Where's the trash bin? Trash bin? Bukas lang. Ano to? Ako lang to. Ito may may dala pa ako. Where? Perfect dessert. Baka naman. Oo eh. Okay lang. Yeah. Ano siya? Baka di mo siya mag-put sa una. Kasi may cherry. Pero pagka tumagal, nag-aamoy, ano siya, powder. Kalat mo na lang. Oil on it, or simpleng outfit lang guys kasi wala eh, hindi naman to first time.
Sorry na.
Gusto niyo pong malaman yung kwentong IO namin ni ate. Subscribe to my channel. We're going back to the place where we belong. Oh, ito talaga. Grabe, memorable talaga yung IO ngayon.
Oo.
Wala akong masasabi.
Kung ano ka nung unang, first
Hindi
ano
ko
ka lang.
First traveler ako. First time.
First,
So, oo, wala akong second. Wala ni isa sa amin na second interview. Experience pa rin. Next time, hindi na may Yun guys, update na lang namin kayo pag nakabalik na kami. Oh my gosh. Waiting na lang sa tita.
ay, politik pas nila.
Okay lang yan, ta. Mahaba pa yung time eh. Uy. Kuya Hans.
Pag-wait ka naman.
Hi ka sa teacher mo. Friendship. Ito po ginagawa niya na at Mare. Go, go, go. Ano, Hans. Don't stop. Sige. Sige na, kuya. Don't be scared. It's just all the same. Kuya na. Ay, sorry kuya. Ay, nasa si ate? Yeah. Hi. Ay, sorry. Wala po pala siya sa si ate? Go. Ay, ari kay ate. Yeah. Ako din.
Is indicated on the equipment itself. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may move during the flight. Ngayon po lamang naman clean na upo at pinamatagal ang ilaw sa kaya sa single sign. Bago tumayo para
Thank you, sir. Thank you po. Aray ko. God, you're here, Daddy. Iba talaga amoy ng ibang bansa. Sinte. Maamoy mo wala ka sa Pilipinas. Iba talaga. Oo, te. Where we going? Tayo natin sila, te. Safely arrives. Bali. We're here in Bali. Pass the immigration again. Very basic. Lord, next time sana naman medyo magaan na ang buhay. Thank you so much. Now we're gonna go to change our money for Indian. Saan daw, tita? Pass the immigration. Basic lang kay tita eh. Ha? Basic lang sa inyo. Kailangan pala may pamilya pag pupunta dito.
Kailangan mo ng
Kailangan ko na ng asawa.
At saka kailangan ng papel. Marriage.
Ay, tita, sabihin mo ulit.
Kailangan ng marriage.
Para mas basic. So yun, we're going to...
Mas mabilis talaga, no? Pag ano, family.
Tapos dalawa pa kayong may work. Ang ate ko.
Harvey.
Ay, yung mga bata.
Harvey.
Harvey dito, Harvey.
Para sa siya.
Sige, tita, go. We're going to ride car. Yes, ganda. Talaga. Windy, ha?
Ay, parang mainit yung hangin. Parang mainit na yung hangin.
Grabe. Hindi na, my hair is not giving. Sabi ba, pag nakapag-ano na sa car. Dito na kami sa car.
But we go to beach walk first. Yeah.
Yes.
Where's your
Ano, tita? May nakita na naman
There
ang
an
Alpha Mart.
entrance fee?
That's yeah, you can buy that. Yeah.
I think it's just mura, like
Yeah,
cheap.
Mora, the
right?
dance. The dance start from 6, the sunset time.
Kano na pot hanggang ano po? Just
Oh, Facebook. Okay. Hold on. Na din talaga ako maging magtayo ng travel agency. Galing ko maghanap ng Ang ganda pala dito.
Yes.
We're here at the Beach Walk Shopping Center. Hanap kami ng makakainan. Lunch. For lunch.
Ikot muna tayo.
Asa si tita? Wow naman, si madam. Na para bang hindi in-interview ng malalasa ayaw.
Nilobat mo.
Ram Ram! Hi ka muna! Hi! Are you happy? My God, it's so hot in the Philippines. Ay, no, not in the Philippines. Ooh. Tita, tandaan niyo yung place dyan, ah. Lenage. Update kami pag nandun na kami sa kakainan. Bye! Bye ka, bye! Bye! Hi, guys.
Siguro yung take off. Siyempre.
10:20 na, guys. Pero mag-advance lunch kami. Siguro mga 1 punta na tayo ng Semenya. Opo, oo, dito. 1 talaga. Pag-atin siya.
Kasi iyaano niya tayo buong Wait lang, tita. Anong pangalan ng mga yun? Green carbonara. Ako, rice. Rice naman.
Eat na. We're gonna eat. Pagod doon, tita.
Sarap, tita.
Parang siyang fried.
Hindi maalat. Isa na.
Fried rice?
Oo, isa na. Sige mo lang. Tikiman tayo.
Tikiman tayo.
Sarap na.
Ang sarap kasi may sipa. Anghang.
May baka.
Grabe ang hang.
Hindi siya masarap pumili ng pagkain. Para maangin.
Anghang.
Ito.
Grabe ang hang,
Yan,
tita.
may spring. Seafood. Mahilig sila kumaan.
Naanghang din sa'yo, ya?
Kumasa. Sarap.
Kasi super anghang, parang hindi ko kaya.
Mainit. Lumatagdag yung init sa ako.
Sarap.
Masarap yun.
Bag kumain ang mga itan. Waiting sa car. Ram!
Mabilis din yun. Nasakyan natin. Yung nasa, yung nagat.
Hi guys, we're now going to the
Turn right. Compilation yun. Turn right.
Punta na kami. Room namin. Ito kami. Nababaw nga lang.
Parang friends ko naman siya.
Oo, malamig. Okay lang. For its price, it's very affordable. And then, tada! Meron kami access sa ay, ano to? Sa pool. Yan, oh my gosh. Access sa kapitbahay. Wait lang, mga angatok ako. Hey, kapitbahay. This one too. Wow. Kapitbahay. Solo. Ay, solo. Ah. Ay, naku po. Makakapag-swimming din ako dyan. Hi guys, we're going to Uluwatu.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog.
Wait lang.
Sobrang friend. Alam mo, grabe ang sarap ng pakiramdam ko talaga ngayon. Kanina dyan ba?
Bye. Nabi mo bye. Bye.
Eh, nahanap ako ng bidding. Alam yun pala yun. Ako din.
So yun, hindi kami nakaligo na ate.
Pinipiit lang yung sa gilid.
Kaya nga.
Habang retouch
Kaya sa
lang.
akin, kaya yung sabog-sabog yung tubig doon sa may malapit kasi ginamit ko yung ano doon kasi nahanap ko doon na pala sa gilid eh.
Indonesia. May McDo doon guys.
Ba't siya nang gagawin ng ganyan sa katawan?
Tada!
First na.
Guys, may mga unggoy dito. So tiring. Wow.
Parang siyam-siyam ko doon, oksida.
Ay!
Stand down.
I'm scared by the monkey. Water lang daw. Tayo naman ako yan, patikin.
Of course. Kung ano ko, tingin. I don't have to. Sir, can I take the photo? Thank you.
What's what? Water. The mineral. We're done with Uluwatu Temple. We're gonna go to...
Oh, ikaw talaga siyam-siyam ko doy.
What is that called?
Tuyay ka lay.
Oh,
Ayaw mo na matuyog.
there's a lot of foragers, oh. Foragers. Thank you, Uluwatu Temple and the monkey. Say bye-bye, Ram. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Huwag na na ko.
Bye-bye. We're going home. I mean beach, then go home.
Dinner pa. Hi guys, we have a rule. Do not speak in Tagalog
It's getting smaller.
because you have to pay 100,000 Indonesian rupee. We don't have that. So we're gonna speak in English.
Open
Yes.
cookers fit in this room.
I have that 2 million.
Wow, you have 2
you're so
million.
rich. It's
Give
so
us.
Yes.
Give us. You will give us.
getting tight.
Okay.
I have to.
You have to what?
I have 200 million thousand.
Oh, that's a lot. 200 million thousand.
Availability is
I think I reach my limit. I will not speak anymore.
I'm second demotion. I object.
Case closed. Okay, we will be quiet. What?
How much do you entrance?
I love
Oh
it.
my God, are you sure about that?
We're here at the beach and we're still not allowed to.
But I love it.
15.
I love it.
Oh my God,
Guys, the beaches are red.
the beautiful beaches.
Look at
But I love it.
Look at that.
Beautiful beaches.
So nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful beach.
Beautiful beaches.
Oh my gosh, it seems like in our...
You see a piece of trend.
Ay, my goosebumps.
Where the pouch of the power Wi-Fi. Can you put it that? Can you put
We want
This-
a small dog.
Wow!
Oh!
Uy, White
No
Rock.
ending.
You have
White Rock. Ooh, rock and roll.
yes.
Wow, I feel like I'm in another country. Oh, yes, I am.
Honey, because of the beach?
No, I think.
I feel like I'm in a...
Wow!
Beautiful.
Can I open the window?
Of course, not
Or no?
later.
Later.
Wow! What is
Wow!
Can we take the picture there?
Tita, can we take a picture? A picture.
Oh, really? Tornado, Cebu?
Picture.
Oh my God! Everything is so beautiful! Happy! Florida! Oh my God! Bro, it feels like that.
Wow!
Picture din mo, patang laman. Yung picture ang
Yes.
Yeah. Actually.
Bro, alin yun, honey? Pantay may lasing. Wait, seafood.
Putra.
Pantay melas.
Sleepy.
Utangan. Ay,
Tangan yan.
Hey! Utangan kasi nasa isip ko eh. Kuya Ogie, thank you so much for bringing us here.
Wow! Perfect! Perfect! I'm so proud of you, Tita!
I'm really enjoying everything. I really enjoyed everything.
The correction tape.
The correction tape is always on my back. Dito parang nakainom. Uy, tatag-picture muna tayo dun.
Later, Tita.
Oh my God!
Dauta! Wow! Guys, can you see that? Wow! Wow! Roof! We're gonna park first.
naman dito.
We're gonna park park first before we take a lot of
We're gonna park. Promise. I will...
Wow! It's so nice! Wow! Oh my gosh! Baby, I wish you were here. Wala ka pang bala.
White sand or brown sand?
White. It's white, I think. And white rock.
Very satisfied.
Guys, this is Melaste Beach and it's so nice here. Wala yung gusto kong kasama. Ayaw niya. Sorry. Dinner.
Are we about to head?
Why are you so excited?
Because I'm low bat.
No, but so after this, we're gonna watch.
I didn't
the
get
dance.
enough sleep.
Oh, that's not you. I didn't sleep. You sleep at the hotel. But
No,
me, no.
You didn't get enough sleep? We never sleep.
Yeah, actually, we just close our eyes.
Closing.
Yeah,
Just close your eyes.
yes. And I
Closing
can
but
hear
not
you
sleeping.
snoring.
Close open, close open.
You can also lay down while us we're just sitting. We're gonna watch Kikat dance. We're there. Let's cross. Wow, it's so nice here. The view. Wow. Look at the view. Oh, it's so nice. Wow.
Nothing beats the
Jet to holiday.
But right now, we can save 50 pounds per person. No! Holy. This is BM Turbo 2004.
Ooh, I can hear the music already.
Happy. Ras.
Can you hear it, guys? Uy, kahaba man ng akong gown. Wow.
Ano sila tita? Where are they? Buy ticket. Bibili ng ticket. We need to buy the ticket. To watch the dance.
We're gonna watch the dance.
Laking
Kebak
sumasayaw. Ang sayaw ng Kesak ay inspirasyon ng
Kesak pala, Kebak.
ng Sangyang.
Terima kasih kepada para pengunjung yang sudah hadir pada hari ini. Welcome to Bali, PT Ercindo Mekanika Pekanbaru. Bersama Kalna.
Scene 2 na siya. Scene 2.
Dayang day. Hanggang matapos yun eh. Ayun, marami pa pala. Yan ang i-ride yun.
Oh, talo.
FM yan.
Oh. Ayan na ang prinsesa. Nainan, tayo ni isang rama. Yan na, oh. Wow! Ay, pinatay. Ba't yan na? Wow! Ay, grabe.
7 p.m. na day.
7 p.m. na guys, pero it's still, you know, we can see everything.
Nakikita niyo pa rin kami.
Yeah, nakita niyo pa rin kagandahan namin. Uy, ang ganda ng recommended pumunta kayo dito. Yeah. Sulit yung bayad ng entrance kasi parang hindi buo yung pagpunta nyo na Indonesia pag di nyo naranasan yung ano yun, te? Kebak dance? Ano pangalan mo? Kesak dance? Ano yun? Basta basta hindi kayo mabubuo yung Indonesia trip nyo kung di nyo yung mapupunta. Sobrang very cultural and everything. Nice, so nice.
So amazing. Oh,
Yeah, anak. Papunta na kami ng dinner. Nang-horn. Yeah. Solid yung nakuha naming tour guide kasi ang galing. Wala siyang pinalampas. Sa sobrang walang pinalampas, grabe na yung nagastos talaga ng tita namin ba?
Oo, siguro mga 100,000.
My goodness. Sa sobrang walang pinalagpas yung tour guide natin, grabe din yung lalampasan ng ating pira. Yeah, all in one. Thanks, Kuya Ogie.